Want freedom? Want control over your time? Online consulting could be your answer. It offers flexibility. You set your own hours. It boasts high earning potential. You can charge premium rates for your expertise. And the best part? Startup costs are minimal. You mainly need your skills and an internet connection. Online consulting is about leveraging your knowledge. You help others by solving their problems. This translates into income. You are trading your time for value, not a paycheck. This model allows for rapid income growth. You are not limited by a fixed salary. The beauty of online consulting lies in its simplicity. No need for a physical office, no need for a large staff. Just you, your expertise, and a global market hungry for your knowledge. It's about empowering yourself. It's about designing your ideal lifestyle. This guide will show you how. It's time to turn your expertise into income. Let's begin. Success in online consulting starts with choosing the right niche. This is where your expertise meets market demand. Think about your skills. What are you naturally good at? What problems can you solve easily? Don't limit yourself to formal education or job titles. Maybe you're a whiz at social media marketing. Perhaps you have a knack for crafting compelling sales copy. Maybe you're a master at optimizing websites for search engines. Once you have a list of potential niches, research their market demand. Are people actively seeking solutions in this area? Are there online communities or forums dedicated to this topic? Tools like Google Trends can help you gauge interest. The ideal niche sits at the sweet spot of your passion and market need. You should be excited about this field. You should be eager to learn and grow. Remember, you are building a business around this niche. Choose wisely. Your online presence is your storefront. It's how potential clients find you. It's how you build credibility and trust. A professional website is non-negotiable. It should clearly outline your services, showcase your expertise, and include testimonials. Social media is your megaphone. Use it to share your insights, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out. LinkedIn for business to business, Instagram for visual niches, Twitter for thought leadership. Content is king. Offer free, valuable content related to your niche. This could be blog posts, ebooks, webinars, or videos. This establishes you as an authority. It builds trust with potential clients. It demonstrates your expertise without being salesy. Remember, your online presence is an ongoing project. Regularly update your website with fresh content. Engage with your followers on social media. Respond to comments and questions promptly. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Section 4. Attracting clients. Networking, testimonials, and online platforms. Building a successful consulting business requires actively seeking out clients. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, both online and offline. Connect with people on LinkedIn. Join relevant Facebook groups. Testimonials are powerful social proof. Don't be shy to ask satisfied clients for a written testimonial or video review. Feature these prominently on your website and social media. Potential clients are more likely to trust the experiences of others. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru can be a great starting point. They connect you with a vast pool of potential clients. Focus on delivering high-quality work and exceeding expectations. Positive reviews will attract more clients organically. Remember, building a client base takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to provide exceptional value. Word-of-mouth referrals will become your most valuable source of new business. Section 5. Pricing your expertise. Value your time and offer packages. Putting a price tag on your expertise can feel daunting. Remember, you're not just selling hours, but the value you bring to the table. Research industry rates for similar services. Consider your experience, skills, and the complexity of the project. Don't undervalue your worth. Charging too little can attract the wrong type of client and devalue your services. Offer different pricing packages to cater to various budgets and needs. This could include hourly rates, project-based fees, or retainers. Clearly outline your payment terms and conditions up front. Use invoicing software to streamline the process. Don't be afraid to negotiate rates, but always know your worth and be willing to walk away from clients who undervalue your expertise. Section 6. Scaling up, automation, teams, and expanded offerings. As your client base grows, so too will your income and workload. To avoid burnout and maximize efficiency, consider scaling up your operations. Automate repetitive tasks like scheduling appointments, sending invoices, and managing email marketing. Hiring a virtual assistant or building a team can free up your time to focus on high-level tasks. Delegate administrative duties, content creation, or even client communication to trusted professionals. Expand your offerings beyond one-on-one consulting. Develop online courses, group coaching programs, or digital products that leverage your expertise and generate passive income streams. This diversifies your income and creates scalable solutions. Section 7. Take the leap. Your journey to freedom starts now. The world of online consulting awaits. You hold the keys to your own success. Believe in your expertise. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit. The journey may seem daunting, but remember, every expert started as a beginner. Take the first step. Define your niche. Build your online presence. Network relentlessly. Deliver exceptional value. Price your services confidently, and never stop learning and growing. The rewards are worth the effort. Financial freedom, location independence, control over your time and destiny. This is the power of online consulting. Your journey to freedom starts now. Take the leap.